how to hack Killer Bean weapon. So in this Killer Bean game right here, I'm going to show you how to hack Killer Bean weapon so you can get these weapon unlocked for free. Everyone. So all thing you have to do right now, the first tip guys, please to hit that like button below guys. Click on the like button. So right up here guys, as you see my red arrow, I am switching these weapon guys. Yes, that is the red arrow up there guys. I will show you how to get these weapon in this video so you don't have to rush everyone. So I'll show you everything you need to unlock these weapon that I'm using right up here. Now guys, you're going to go on your mobile phone right now guys. Right here. Now, now I'm going to show you when you go on your Android phone. iOS device. Click on Chrome now guys. You're going to click on Chrome. Yes, Chrome will unlock these weapons. So I'll show you. Yes, you're going to type in Majide.com right now in that search bar. You're going to type in Majide. Yes, you see that word right here? You're going to type in Majide.com right now, everyone. Majide.com. So watch me type in Majide.com right now. Majide. That is a red arrow that I'm pointing. So you're going to put .com on it. So click on .com. Now you're going to see the Majide page come up. So you're going to click on that link to open the website. Now you open the website now guys. You're going to type in Killer Bean Unleash right up there, that red arrow that I'm showing you. So you're going to type in Killer Bean Unleash, Madlide.com, verify you are a human. This might take a few seconds. So right here guys, as you see this, so now you see that circle is moving around beside verify. So you're going to tap in the center of the circle to verify that you are human right now guys, till it load up. It's successful now guys. So you're going to tap on Killer Bean right there. Yes, you see that orange button, that arrow that I'm showing you. So you're going to click on it guys. So tap on it. Now you're going to see it to our next website now guys. So you're going to tap on the one below. Download Killer Bean Unleashed. So you're going to tap on it. That is the red arrow. So you're going to click on download. Download always. Now click on file details to show you the download process of this Killer Bean. As you see guys, it download from the file. Now wait on it till then you tap on it now guys. Then you tap on Killer Bean Unleashed. Yes, that is the red arrow, so you're going to tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to load a little bit. So you tap on it now guys. This is the next page will come up. So wait on the page come up. It will take a little while to come up. Now as you can see guys, you're going to tap on install right here. So tap on install. So when you tap on install, the app will install dead. So I open with share it guys. So you're going to click on allow. So you're going to click on install again. So it say it will install in. So as you see, staging app right here, unknown staging app. Yes, so I'm waiting on it to complete, so I'll show you the full details. So you're going to click on install right there again. So as you see, the app is installing Killer Bean Unleashed. Yes, soon as the app finish install, that is Killer Bean Unleashed, I'm going to show you the next step. of the weapon unlocked. Now, when you click on open now, guys, going to see this page when you click on open. No, everyone. So you're going to click on Killer Bean Store. No, guys, that is the red arrow that I'm pointing. So you're going to click on Killer Bean Store. On both sides, you're going to see that you own these weapons right now. So you're going to see own. After you see own now, everyone, you're going to select a level that you want to play. So I'm going to select story level because I really like play story level. No, everyone. So you're going to see that you unlock weapon everyone. Finish to download it. Then you switch the your weapon. After you switch your weapon, guys, I saw you done. Yes, guys, I hope this video really helpful to you to unlock your killer bean weapon, everyone. So I have a next video on the screen will show you how to unlock killer bean weapon a different way if this version didn't work for you guys. Yes, everyone. So please click on the video, guys, if this version that I teach you a while ago didn't work, guys. So I have every details how to unlock killer bean weapon a different way, guys. So click on the video on the screen if that version didn't work for you to unlock your weapon. Yes, everyone. If you're facing any problem to download this killer bean weapon, you can let me know in my comment section which part you don't understand so I can help you to unlock your killer bean weapon today, everyone.